Public transportation. We worry at times. There are so many uncertainties, and we are unable to plan ahead. Introducing MyRapidTap, the go-to app for all your daily traveling needs. With MyRapidTap, you can easily choose the type of transportation you want, be it the bus, trains, ferries, and even some that you don't know about. You can now plan your journey without the hassle of having to wait or guess the arrival time. Not only can you plan your journey better now, MyRapidTap also has real-time feature of live notification when your transport is arriving. Talk about timeliness. Grow your business with MyRapidTap. Malaysia now has over 20 million users of smartphones and 144.8% penetration in the population of 31 million. Statistics show that we have achieved over $1.19 billion in e-commerce revenue, with a potential of growing up to $1.93 billion by the year 2020. Have you started talking to these potential customers yet? MyRapidTap provides your business with an unprecedented access to over 1 million riders daily. Imagine your promotions and advertisements seen by 1 million users. The opportunities are endless with our mobile online shopping mall. With our digital wallet, transactions are now done as easy as 1, 2, 3. And when it's time to scale your business, talk to us and we'll help you with financial assistance packages so you can focus on building your business. Let us do all the worrying for you. Oh, did we mention signing up is free? Yep, it's absolutely free. With MyRapidTap, you can now plan your journey and not worry about being late ever again. Shop on the go with all our partners without having to detour from your journey plans. You can watch all your favorite movies, play the latest online games, and even chat with your friends. For good measure, we'll help to facilitate your financial transactions. Malaysia's first mobility as a service platform, MyRapidTap, connecting us all.